Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are unboxing and trying on my 7th Stitch Fix. Yeah, this is number 7. Last month in December I requested 2 boxes because I got one at the beginning of the month, and then I wanted to see what my stylist would send me for the end of the month, kind of like New Year's Eve type stuff. I just rewatched that video, and Ginnie styled me last month for that second box. Ginnie styled me again this month, and Ginnie, I love you. Like, you understand my style so much, so I thank you, and I'll definitely request her again because she did such a good job. I was pulling everything out of this box whenever I got it a few nights ago, and I was so excited that I was sure that I would purchase every single thing in this box. There's also jewelry, too. I want to note, too, if I sound a little funny, that I'm getting over the flu. Yes, it got me, unfortunately. Today is day 2 or 3 that I've been recovering, and one of 2 reasons I'm filming this video. One, I don't know how to rest. I can't do it anymore. I've just been lounging and sitting around, and I haven't worn makeup or gone anywhere or done anything, and I'm over it. And the second reason, I don't have to wear pants when I film videos. Well, that sounds weird. I'm wearing shorts. You know what I'm saying? Like, I slept in these shorts, so all I had to do was put on a cute shirt and put some makeup on my face. So I'm filming this video recovering from the flu because they only give you a couple of days to try on your items and review them before you need to send them back, or they charge you for everything, and I didn't want to be charged for everything if I didn't like it. So we're going to go ahead and do this video, knock it out, get it out of the way. As always, y'all seem to love these Stitch Fix videos, so I will list all of my previous 6 videos in the description box down below. Click on them, watch them, check them out. I'll also have a link there to sign up for Stitch Fix. Now, Stitch Fix has an offer right now that through the end of January, first-time customers can get their first fix for free. So that expires really soon. I'll leave the link down below. Click on it, check it out. It's free. You do have to put a card in because when you get your box, whatever you decide to keep, they will charge your card for. But it's free to send you the box. Typically, it's a $20 styling fee that they charge you to curate this box, but as I've always said, anything you decide to keep, they deduct that $20 that you've already paid from any items that you keep. One more housekeeping thing, my dog is playing behind me, around me, so if you hear like crazy things, she's like chewing bones and throwing toys and acting like she's killing them, so that's what's happening. And the sweet cat, she's sleeping in the basket. Like, she finds, this is way off topic, God. She finds like the one ray of sun in the room and like lays there. It's so sweet. So here we go. Let's talk about this box. They send you a price sheet of everything that came in the box, how much it costs, and how much it will cost you if you decide to keep everything or what you want to keep. All that stuff. We'll go over that as we pull items out, and then at the end we'll talk about prices, and I've already actually made a purchase. So I'll tell you what I've decided to keep. This other little note card that they send you, this is a note from Ginnie, and I'm going to read it this time. I normally don't because I feel like people will just fast forward through because this is kind of like a personal note that someone's sending to you. But Ginnie had me last month, and I really want to talk about how tailored it is to you, and I want to show you kind of what they talk about in these notes. So it says, "Hi Taren, I'm so glad you loved your last fix. I loved the kimono on you. Since you're looking for less expensive pieces, I started your fix with this classic skinny jeans by Makers and a chic indigo wash. I noticed that the pair of jeans in your last fix was too short, so I included this pair with an extra inch for the inseam. Let me know how the length works for you. Style that preppy off-the-shoulder top by Skies Are Blue for that upcoming warm weather. This piece has a loose silhouette along with a feminine print that is perfect for the upcoming seasons. Since you requested some jewelry, I included these glamorous fringe earrings by Nakamol. Sorry if I butchered that. They are sure to add a touch of sparkle to any outfit. For a boho-inspired piece, I selected the floral kimono by Liz to style with denim or dresses. I can't wait to watch your video. Ginnie." So Ginnie watched my last video, so she has an idea of who I am and what I like, and I love that. I love that I can link the video in my note to my stylist, and she will actually watch it. Now that we've been talking for 8 minutes, let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about these jeans. These are the Makers of Original Jeans. Yes, the Leanne skinny jeans. She sent them in a size 20. I was a little worried that they would be a little big, but I put these on, and these are the softest denim that I've ever felt in my life. Like, in my life. So I love these jeans. They were long enough. I love the little detail, like this little flag here on the button. It's just so adorable, and I like that they put the extra effort into that kind of thing. So I love these jeans. These are amazing. I don't know what else to say about them. They fit perfect. The rise is high enough. The length is long enough. They do feel a tad looser in the crotch area, but I think that I could fix that problem with just pulling them up a little bit more, like maybe to my belly button, you know? So I don't hate it. I don't hate it at all. I love these jeans. These are, like I said, the Maker's Leanne Skinny Jean in a size 20. The color is indigo, and they're $48. Next thing is this beautiful red top. It's all like out of whack because I tried it on and just threw it back in here. I was just so excited for everything. But when I pulled this out, what I loved that I saw first was this detail on the bottom of this. I love the color red. I just think it's such a pretty pop of color. And then when they add little details like that, it just makes your like simple outfit just a little bit cuter. So this is what the shirt looks like. It's sleeveless, like it shows a little bit of arm, and it's got this little fringe. I don't know if that's fringe, like this extra fabric detail. It's V-neck in the front and the back, which I really, really like. I love the length. Like I said, I love this little ball detail on the bottom. The only thing with this shirt was it was a little bit big in like the armpit region. And like, I don't want to raise my arm and have everyone see my bra. So that was the only thing that I wasn't so sure about with this top. Literally the only thing. Everything else was perfect. Like I said, the color, the length, the fit, everything else was like on point. So this is the Skies Are Blue Lucinda Ruffle Detail Knit Top in a size 2X, and it's $44. Before we move forward too, I want to note that my last box was a little expensive for me, and Ginny definitely listened. These pieces are a little less expensive than the last one, so I really appreciate that. Now we move on to this floral kimono. I'm a sucker for kimonos. Y'all know this. I think kimonos are a great addition to an outfit. You can wear jeans with like a loose tank top, throw a kimono on with like a pair of wedges, and you look all put together. I love it. This pattern is beautiful. I just love the floral. I love that it's not tiny floral. Does that make sense? And I love the color, like the blush and the yellow and like the sage detail of the leaves. This is just beautiful. It fit perfect. I have nothing bad to say about this. I have nothing bad to say about this. You're looking at it on me, and I love it. So, this is the Les Liz Hannah Floral Kimono in a size 2X, and this is $44. Last piece of clothing in this box is this like cherry off the shoulder top. It's like, I love it. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I pulled this out of the box, and my husband was standing there, and I was like, oh my gosh, how cute would this be on our cruise? We're going on a cruise in less than 3 months, and I could just picture this with a pair of like cut-off shorts. I don't know, it's just, it's flowy. You can't see through the fabric too bad. I mean, it's like a summer top. You know, it's not super thick, but it's not, you can't see your bra through it, and I love that. So, this is great. Off-the-shoulder tops typically don't work for me. Well, I don't want to say that. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. This is a great amount of stretch. It's not too much to where it's going to pop up on your shoulders every time you wear it. But I guess I just have broad shoulders, and it tends to not stay on me. However, the fit of this was perfect. I love the flow detail. I feel like Ginny did such a good job with this box. Okay, this is the Skies Are Blue. Oh, so I got 2 pieces from Skies Are Blue. Peppy off-the-shoulder top in a size 2X, and it's $48. And the very last thing that came in the box are these earrings. Side note, I love that they put them in this like fancy Stitch Fix box. So here's what the earrings look like. I love a good pair of like chunky, like big earrings. These are beautiful. I just love the color. I love the length. I love the fact that, I don't know, I prefer these type of backs to my earrings anyways. And I just think they're beautiful. And they feel so well made. Like the quality is just really, really good. And as I was reading this when I was trying them on earlier, it says each piece is handcrafted using natural gemstones in a variety of colors and textures. It's inspired by the energy and spirit of the women around her, the woman who makes these. That's what her little slogan says. Her mission is to elevate their inherent beauty by making them feel unique every time they wear her pieces. So, love these. I have nothing bad to say about these either. I also love that they come in a little pouch because these kind of earrings, I don't want them to fade or get tangled with other earrings, so I will be keeping them in this little bag. And these earrings will set you back $38. Also on this card, I don't know if I mentioned, they give you suggestions on how you can style pieces. So I love that. Like the kimono here, and then you've got your off-the-shoulder top. So these actually come off. They're like perforated. So the total cost for everything in the box was $222. If you keep everything, they give you 25% off, plus you get that $20 styling fee back. So my total would have been $141.50. That's not bad. For really good quality pieces, $141. So I debated keeping all 5 pieces just because it comes out a little bit cheaper that way. However, I wasn't sold 100% on the 2 tops, and I didn't want to keep them just because I could get them for a cheaper price if I did keep all 5 items. So I ended up sending the 2 shirts back. I kept the jeans, the kimono, and the earrings. And my total was, I wrote it down, let's see. Well, I screenshotted it. $115.40. Is anyone even looking at me? However, something new that Stitch Fix has done for this month, they charged me tax. I've never seen tax pop up on any of my purchases with Stitch Fix. So my total, they added $10.40 of tax. So $115.40 for those 3 pieces. I don't mind paying that at all. The kimono, the earrings, and the jeans, I think are all great deals. And I'm really happy. I'm really, really happy with my purchases. Thank you so much for watching this video and bearing through. I feel like I don't sound like I'm sick. I feel a little heated, like I'm a little hot right now. I should probably lay down. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching all of my Stitch Fix videos and clicking the link and testing it out and seeing how Stitch Fix does for you. I love to see your pictures and your videos and your comments and stuff from your boxes. I've gotten several of those. So please keep them coming. I'll list all of my social media pages down below to send those to me. Please do that. I appreciate it. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.